Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This small charging module ordered over eBay. Most of time this kind of chargers will use for the mobile phones that the charging unit not working and we are not able to repair the charging unit. We will hide this tiny small PCB board inside the mobile phone backside of the battery. As you can see, we have 1.8 ampere usage. It is super fast charging PCB. This is too much for this battery. Usually the normal charging unit capacity is 300 milliamps. This is fast charging. Also, I have one smaller PCB like that. This one, something like $2, $2. We are able to hide this one most easier because of it is smaller than the module that I'm working with that. So we are able to use these small chargers when the charging unit of the mobile phone not working properly well, or go for this one for 1 amp, this one something like 1.8 amps. Thanks for watching and goodbye.